Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Splendid Day Suite. Alright, here is my next Splendid Day card using the Splendid Thoughts bundle, which is part of the Splendid Day Suite. There's also the seam binding soft seafoam ribbon, the open leaf trinkets, which are super fun because you have this circle that you could use to tie onto something, do a bow, make earrings, do a keychain. Sky's the limit with this one. And then you have this gorgeous Splendid Day paper that I am using in this card. I'm using the Fresh Freesia one, but there's also copper and I think this is Pool Party or soft seafoam. I'm not totally sure. And then we have Sahara sand, and this is the Fresh Freesia. And then this might be the soft seafoam or the Sahara sand, and this is copper. So super pretty. And then if you order the bundle, you can get these free note cards and envelopes as part of Celebration. They're in the Celebration catalog on page 8. You can get these for free, and here's some samples of what you can do with the cards and the suite. The suite is located in the new mini catalog that's now available on page 64 and 65. So here are all the samples, and here is the suite. So super, super pretty. So I'm gonna start with this embossed piece of basic white. I used the eucalyptus embossing folder, and I'm going to use some soft seafoam and a little sponge dauber and a scratch piece of paper I think would be good because I just need something to rub off on. And I'm just gonna lightly rub across the raised areas so that I can color in these eucalyptus branches and bring them to life and make them super noticeable, and so that they really pop out and catch your attention and don't hide in the shadows of the white. You can pull it out with some color. So just go ahead and keep grabbing color and keep working down the eucalyptus. There we go. Super, super pretty. Okay. And then we are going to stamp the flower, or the leaves, I should say, in Fresh Freesia. So we'll do Fresh Freesia, and we'll start with the outline. I'm just gonna turn it like that so it fits. And then I will do the fill-in. It doesn't match perfectly. It's not supposed to, but it's just more artistic. And so it doesn't match perfectly, but don't worry about that. So now we're going to cut this out with my little mini embossing. And we'll use the plates, and we'll put the paper on. And then we'll grab the die and put the die on here. Line that up with the outline stamp. Place this down. And then we're just going to slowly push this through. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now we've got that cut out. How pretty is that? And then we were going to use it on our card. So let's bring back our pieces. So we have a base of Fresh Freesia and this beautiful Fresh Freesia foil. Since the foil is delicate on the other side, I'm just going to do the adhesive super lightly. I'm going to try to not add any pressure. Okay, so that I don't have any markings on my foil. Super pretty. And now I can add this with dimensionals. Make sure to put one in the middle so it doesn't sag in the middle. And I'll just put that right in the center here. Okay, now we can add some more of our design. So I have cut out this piece right here and this piece right here. So we'll just add a little bit of liquid glue just to the stem, just like a little tiny bit. And we'll offset these. We'll have one going this way, and then we'll have one going this way. And then we're gonna add some dimensionals to our leaf here. We'll just do a large one and a mini one, maybe right there. And we'll put that right in the center here. And then we are going to stamp our sentiment in fresh Freesia. And we're gonna fussy cut it out. So we're just gonna stamp that right in the middle there. And we're gonna use our fabulous trimmers. And we're gonna give it a little bit of a border and only move the paper as we cut, and not the scissors. I'm giving it a very wide berth. I don't want to cut anything out that is part of the stamp. So there we've got that. So we can add a couple more mini dimensionals. So let me take a look at this. And then I'll add one here and add one here. And I'll offset this as well. Kind of scoot that down a little bit more. And then my favorite part, we get to add some of those sequins that are 180 sequins for $7.50, coming out to 4 cents a sequin. So these are a fantabulous deal that you definitely want to take advantage of. These are the adhesive backed sequins and gems that are in the mini catalog as well. And so here is my Splendid Day card. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. Just contact me and let me know that you would like this kit once you've placed your order, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for joining me to watch this video tutorial on the Splendid Day Suite. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and leave a comment for my video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.